Right, this is how we change a bucket on a cat. Cat 301.7. Right, come over here. Now, can you focus in on this for me? See the nut and the red safety bar. The nut and the red safety. I give you one of these, we use this to slacken. We take quite a bit of time over this. Keep filming. And that is raising the hydraulic bar. So if you go around there and just focus in on this bit here. Watch what you're treading. See, it's raising that up away from this pin. Okay. Okay, now it's stopped. So come back round here. And this is red. Underneath what I did is this red bar here with a groove in it. So you use the other end of the spanner and turn that down. That's the safety catch being released. Now we get in the dumper, sorry, the digger, and we use the arm to tip it out, drop it. I'm saving putting a new bucket on, I'll just put the same bucket on afterwards. Okay, so we just go back over there. Focus in down there. Slow recording. As you can see, we've got the two pins, and we've got that for the front pin, and that's for the back one. What we've got to do is get that in first. When that's in, we rotate it down so that one can lock in there. Safety catch has gone back to hold it in place, so all we need to do is reverse the hydraulic pin and send the pin back down onto the other side. If you just go back round there, you should be able to see this pin, hydraulic pin, pushing down and locking that other pin into place. There you go, it's tightened up now. Stand up here and double check that that is back in, because if it's not, you'll be back down there. So that's when it's locked in place. Okay, that's how we change the bucket on a cat.